I've always wanted to go back. The people, the weather, the landscape. There is something so special about the UK. It's been 4 years since I left, but this chapter never closed, like a half-finished story. I think it's time. Here in a national park. I'm not gonna even try and pronounce the name. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's in South Wales. Wishing to check the higher points here, which is between 700 and 800 meters high, which is on that direction right there. I don't know what to expect. This is my first national park in the UK, and I instantly skipped all the southern part of England. I'm gonna be here for a couple of days, and then I'm gonna move north to Snowdonia, I believe it's called, and then Lake District, Peak District, and all the way up to Scotland. I'm really new to the landscape in the UK. I know that it's a little bit on the shorter side in terms of the mountain, so this is a nice change because for once I don't have to climb as much. So yeah, I'm very curious to what this landscape reserves, and let's keep heading up. You can already see some of the views. Look at that. Just wanted to grab this shot here to kind of just set the scene of what I'm seeing right now. It's not the best shot in the world, but it's just for me to have a memory of what the place looks like, and well, for you guys to see as well. Pretty nice. It's pretty nice up here. So I just made a composition right here. It's still, I don't know if you can hear me right, but it's basically still a little bit too bright out. So I'm just gonna come back when the sun is a little bit lower. I decided to photograph these two compositions, even with the harsh sunlight, because this valley was gonna be completely in the shade as the sun set behind the mountain. I actually enjoy the first one especially because of that rim light on the mountain from the sun just behind it, creating a beautiful separation between all those layers. As for this second shot, I waited for the sun to create this amazing texture on the mountain that would make this crack stand out even more. And I really enjoy the simplicity of this shot. I just finished with the shoot. The sun is just below that peak right there. I'm decently happy with how it turned out. And then I ended up shooting like some panoramas of the sunset that I think are pretty decent. Again, it's clear sky, not too much interest besides the colors, but yeah, it's what I have right now. So yeah, pretty happy, pretty decent photo shoot, hike, walk. I ended up shooting 2 compositions of the setting sun, and I am not really happy with either of them. I think that the clear blue skies didn't help, and maybe I should have tried harder to find a different composition. Overall, I really struggled to find a decent subject and composition that would take advantage of the golden light. I climbed my way back down, and in the next morning I went out again on a short hike to find some waterfalls.
What? What? What?
Probably 50 meters of walk. I arrived on this light coming from the side here on the trees. I'm gonna try and do a composition on that. See how it turns out. I really like it. The trees are very vertical. There's a lot of texture. I'm gonna try probably like a vertical composition as well. It's very simple, just to get the morning thing out of the way. I just found this other composition here with this tree with the twisted branches here in the middle, and there's a nice leading tree, a leading line formed by this tree that is on the ground here on the right side of the image, and then we have that other tree with a twisted branch as well. I don't know, I feel like it works. Now, this composition ended up not working at all, and I feel like the reason is that there is too much light and texture on the background trees behind the main subject, making for a rather chaotic and confusing scene. Which is a nice contrast with this next shot I took, where these golden lit horizontal branches stand out from the darker background, making them really pop with color and texture. So I probably found a composition here. Problem is, as with pretty much every waterfall composition, you have to go low. So I have to go almost to the level of the water. And even then, it's not an easy composition. I just found the most lovely composition of this waterfall right here. I got a really nice foreground. There's water coming, and it forms like like a whirlpool in the foreground here. So you see there's this like whirlpool right here that's being perfectly lit by the light, and with the polarizer I can just make this very dark, and then that just pops out. Now I actually shot a second composition of this waterfall in a different aspect ratio. Let me know in the comments which one you like more. I ended up checking some other spots, but I think that the main waterfalls are up there, so I think I'll call it a day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go like, go comment, go subscribe, all that jazz. And yeah, I hope you'll stick around and come back next week. I'll see you around. Bye bye.